Hello boys and girls, this is the end of module test. So if you can please make sure you have a pencil with you and an eraser if you need one. I'm going to read the test questions to you and you are going to do your best to answer them. Here we go. Number 1. There are 9 ducks swimming along in a line. There are 2 grown-up ducks and the rest are babies. How many of the ducks are babies? A. Explain your thinking using pictures or numbers or words. Please pause this video so you have time to draw your picture. Letter B. Write a number sentence that shows how you solved the problem. Number 2. Jennifer says you can use addition to solve subtraction. She says to solve 9 minus 6 equals the unknown. You can just add 9 plus 6. Explain how Jennifer is right and wrong using pictures and numbers. Please pause the video so that you have time to work. Remember, if you need to hear what I said again, just rewind your video a little bit. Moving on. Number 3. Jeremy is confused about this problem. Unknown equals 10 minus 8. Be his teacher. Write 2 addition sentences